How biometrics can secure online examinations? Whether an examination takes place remotely or in testing centers, accurately authenticating candidates before universities or testing organizations is essential for faithful examination. At first, passwords and PINs were used for authentication, yet fraud with false identification persisted. Nowadays, reliable authentication, like biometric technology, is unavoidable. Universities worldwide are increasingly using various forms of biometric authentication, including facial recognition, iris scanning, voice recognition, and fingerprint authentication. Check out a few models in this article. The process of biometric authentication for online exams. First, it will ask for photo proof and personal information when registering candidates for the exam on websites. Officials at the testing location will check the following and scan the candidate's biometrics before attaching them to the ID. The biometrics will be used till the admissions process is complete after the exam. Different universities and organizations employ various techniques to authenticate applicants. They could use a single biometric or a mix of different biometric modalities. Few successful models of biometric use in exams. The models below are a few of the most typical ways that biometric technology is used in exams. TOEFL exam. Known as the test of English as a foreign language. It is a widely accepted English language test that verifies the candidate's voice and face. Each candidate must have a photo ID with them at the center. The system compares the photos from each session to rule out fraud if a student retakes the test and demonstrates considerable progress. The technology also takes advantage of cutting-edge voice recognition. It generates voice sprints for in-depth analysis and compares speech samples from various system inputs to test candidates. A Nigerian model for entrance exams. The JAM, or Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board of Nigeria, registers candidates' biometric data when they pass the test. The JAM then sends the biometrics to the institutions, notifying them that the applicants must appear for admissions interviews. Therefore, colleges can confirm that the applicant who passed the exam and claimed admission is the same person. Indian online learners driving test. About 130 billion Indian people nowadays have biometric identification cards or Aadhaar cards. India permitted applicants to take online learners tests from the convenience of their homes at the time of lockdown. At the time of application, candidates must provide their Aadhaar ID and demographic information, which is cross-checked against the Aadhaar database. The candidate is only allowed to take the exam if their submitted information corresponds to the Aadhaar database. Conclusion. Everything in our dynamic world is moving toward digital form, and exam security is no exception. Consequently, the emergence of modern technologies like biometrics assists in upholding the integrity of both online and offline exams in India and would considerably reduce malpractice. For more information, please visit www.identityherald.com.